What's up guys, let's make mango sticky rice. Growing up, whenever I went to the temples, this is what we got to eat. So I always look forward for this or khao tom, which is dessert wrapped in banana leaves.
Alright, let's get started. First, you're gonna make your sticky rice. You can find these at the Asian supermarket. I like to use the Apple brand or the Three Lady brand. Soak and clean your sticky rice. Get rid of that cloudy water until it runs clear. Let this soak for a minimum of 2 hours. This will help your sticky rice be chewy, bouncy, and fluffy. Next, cook your sticky rice. You could do this in a couple ways. The traditional style is with a steamer pot and basket. If not, you can do it in a rice cooker, but be sure to double the water. Cook your sticky rice for 15 minutes, then you're gonna give it a quick flip and cook for another 10 minutes. Next, in a pot or pan, add a can of coconut milk, a dash of salt, and sugar to taste. Reserve a little of the sauce for later use. Next, in a bowl, combine your coconut milk and sticky rice. Cover with the lid for 20 minutes. I'll list the measurements in the comment section. Next, peel your ripe mangoes. Cut it to your desired piece. Once complete, plate your sticky rice, your ripe mangoes, pour over your coconut sauce, and optional toasted mung beans or sesame seeds. Wow, look at that.
This is your sign to get some mango sticky rice. In Thai, this is khao niam Mung. In Lao, it's khao niam Mung.
So it has the coconut sauce on it, toasted sesame seeds. You can use mung bean you want. Mango is sweet. When you bite to the glutinous sticky rice, it's very chewy and moist. The sauce, it's very creamy and sweet.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoy this video and want to see more content like this, you can support me by hitting that subscribe button. I also food blog in SoCal. Follow for more.